Hi, thanks for joining me for foam roller. Let's go ahead and start on the mat with the foam roller right underneath of our thighs. Come down to a forearm plank, and then hug your shoulder blades upon your back, lift your belly to your back, straighten your legs, point your toes, and glide forward and back along the mat. Nice and gentle across the belly of your thigh. Just taking an inhale and exhale. Stretch through your fingertips, spider through your hands, and hook your elbows down. And then go ahead and pause and work yourself up to your shins now. Coming to the shin, walk the roller down until you're in a shin plank. Do the same move here from your shins. Keep your sacrum light, your belly lifted, and keep pressing down through your forearms, pressing the mat away, hugging your shoulder blades down and back. Let's take one more. Pause when your elbows are right below your shoulders, and then pivot to the side for a side plank, bringing your palm with you so your fingers are straight forward. Stack your hips, stack your legs, bring your hand behind your head here. So from a nice strong side plank, let's lower the bottom hip and then lift up. As you lower down, be strong through the back of your bottom shoulder. Don't allow it to hunch up by your ear. And lower and lift. Work from your side bodies. One more. Lower and lift. Now hold a nice strong line and then lift your arm and leg up toward the ceiling and lower and lift and lower. Remember that bottom arm and shoulder. Keep it strong. And lower. You're doing great. Last two. And lower. One more. And lower. Good job. Turn back to the side. So you're back in your shin plank here. And then pull the roller in so your knees are under your hips. Walk up to your hands. Bring your hands beneath your shoulders and curl your knees in under your wrists and then back out. So curling into a tiny little ball and back out. So work somewhere between your knees and your ankles. Curl your spine, lift your belly, and feel as though you're pulling your palms toward your knees as you pull that roller in tight. Let's do one more. And back out. Now come back down to your forearms. Still on the shins, not shin plank. You're doing great. Let's go to the second side. Pivot your fingers to face the side. Elbow under shoulder, stabilize. Bring your hand behind your head. Lower down the hips in that side bend. Exhale, lift up high and lower. Remember, it's the bottom arm and shoulder that really need to be anchored and strong. And lower and lift. Whole body's working here. Use your core. Last two. And lift. One more. And lift. Now hold your side plank for star. Reach your arm up. Lift your leg up and lower together. Inhale, lift for 4. And lower. 3. Lower. 2. Lower. One more. And lower. Good job. Come back to center on the forearms. Curl into that ball shape, pulling that roller in so that it's underneath you. Your knees are under you, and then come back up to your hands and curl the knees in. Be a tight little ball. Press back out and curl in and back out. Last 3. Exhale out. Stretch your back. Engage your core. 2. And 1. Really nice job. Now with the roller under your shins, your hands under your shoulders, take your right knee off the roller and plant your right foot forward on the mat. Then tuck your back toes under, lift your knees, straighten your leg. With both your legs straight and your spine as straight as you can walk your roller up behind your front foot so you can use it as a block for support, a roller block. And then from here, just flex and point and flex and point. Just getting a little bit more length out of that front leg. Draw your front hip back. And let's take one more. Let's reverse ourselves out of that. Roll the roller back under your back shin. And then take your front shin and put it on the roller again. Repeat this. Left leg comes forward. Plant your foot to the mat. Tuck your back toes under, straighten your leg. Roll the roller up behind your front foot. And then square your hips, so draw your front hip back and really lengthen your spine. Try to make it very straight, wrapping your shoulders back. Maybe that back foot is a little angled out to the side, and then flex your front foot and point it. Very little rocking happening here. Flex and point. Soften your shoulders down. And one more. Slide the roller back, bend your front knee, and place that roller right under both of the shins. One more time. And then curl the roller in, your knees between your elbows, and back out. And then take your knees off of the roller and come out of it. All right, great job today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.